Yo, what's going on, everybody? My name is Dylan. You guys are chilling with Dylan, and today we have a brand new unboxing video. Alrighty, guys, so yes, we do have a brand new unboxing video for you guys. I was actually able to hit two pairs of these guys. This pair and this pair of the Fire Red Jordan 3s. So just for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to be unboxing one of them just so I don't have shoes spread out across the entire room here. But yeah, let's go over this. So I'm going to do an unboxing, go over this shoe, and then actually compare them with this guy right here, the 2013 version of the Fire Red 3s. All right, guys, so as we do it, it is the Air Jordan 3 Retro. Label reads white, fire red, black, and size 12, which is my true to size for the Air Jordan 3. We're going to pop off this top right here. So what you get in the top here is you actually get like a little, not a flip top this time with like the tri, it's like more the OG. So you actually get the top that comes off, fire red underneath. And then as you get to it, that's my JD Sports receipt right there, and then right here. So you get the elephant print paper as well as this Jordan Retro card here, which came also with my 2013 pair, and apparently this is what they used to come with in the originals as well. So you get the little card here, the Jumpman says Jordan, and then it kind of gives you a little breakdown of the actual Retro 3, you know, the upper, sock liner, all that type of stuff. So it's pretty cool. So putting all that off to the side, let us open up this paper right here. Open this bad boy up, and there they are. The 2022 Air Jordan 3 Retro Fire Red. Let's take out this pair, give it a little sniff test. Woo! Them things smell like some fresh glue. Put that off to the side. And yeah, guys, so this is it. This is the shoe that a lot of you guys have been waiting for. Let me know if you guys were able to cop these things down below. But yeah, let's get right into it. So I just pulled out the paper a little bit just to show you guys the quality on the leather right here. It's actually pretty soft leather. I actually like that. I dig it. A little bit better leather than the 2013 pair, which we will get to in a little bit. But just going over this, man. This shoe right here was actually the very first shoe in 2013 that started my collection, started my obsession with shoes. Yeah, this was definitely a must cop for me. A double up, of course, just because I have beaten the 2013 pair down to like nothing so far. But yeah, guys, this is pretty special for me, to be honest, because this is what kind of drew me into shoes. I remember there was no sneakers app back in 2013, so I was actually hitting these things right on Nike.com. I remember when these things were launched, man, it was such a hassle. It was the old add to cart method, so you just had to spam add to cart and hope that it finally carded. Once you got it carded, you had to fill out all your information, because even then, man, you couldn't even like save your card or payment information, address, nothing. You just had to enter everything in and then go to checkout. And if it failed, you had to type it all back in and try to enter it again just to get these things. But yeah. So that's my little story on the Air Jordan 3, especially the Fire Reds. Such a clean shoe, and I'm so happy they brought it back for 2022. And this is the reason why right there. The Nike Air on the back. So I don't remember the year that the last time this Nike Air was you know, re-retroed. Or this is actually the first time it has re-retroed. I meant, you know, the original. I don't remember what year. I know that the 2013 pair used the Jumpman. And finally, we have that Nike Air on the back. It definitely cleans up the back of that shoe, makes it a little bit more special. Now, going to the front of the shoe, you got the red Jumpman, the Fire Red. Nice plush tongue right here behind the tongue. Of course, you got the size tag with the Fire Red in the sock liner right there behind the tongue. Inside the shoe, you got a gray sock liner with that Fire Red. Let me show you to you this way. You got that Nike Air branding. Going to the laces, you got the white laces. You got the little Fire Red eyelets right here. And then right here with the mesh, you got that nice gray. Going down, same effect. These do come with Widow's Peaks, just so you guys know. If you pick these up on the aftermarket, make sure that they're coming with Widow's Peaks. Both my pairs, I did check the other one that I got from Dick's. That also has a Widow's Peak. Just a quick thing to note. Now going down to the elephant print right here, you can definitely see absolutely lighter than the 2013 versions, which I will show you in a bit. I love this version of the elephant print so much more than that 2013. And then also going to the mudguard, you got that standard white leather right there, and then right here as well. Also on the back, you got that elephant print too, right around the heel. Going here, kind of cups around, fire red on the midsole, full length on this side, half length on the inside. You got that fire red right here with the bigger perforations that you did on the 2013 pair. And then, like I said, you got that fire red on the Nike Air. Going to the outsole, you got that nice, beautiful Jordan 3 outsole. Smack that thing. You got the Nike Air. Well, actually just Nike right here on the midfoot. And then going down, you got the little fire red hit with the gray along the pod. Now these do also come with that Nike Air hang tag in orange. And since I just brought up that little hit right there about the Nike Air, let me grab the 2013 pairs real quick just to give you guys a comparison. Now this is going to be hard, guys, because I do have both pairs right here. It's going to be hard to kind of juggle. But the first difference, let's just get right into it. So that one comes in a just like a thin Nike Air hang tag right here in orange. Right, you guys can see that. And then the big difference with the 2013 pair, I have it just laying in here, is this guy. It's actually a rubber. It's a rubber hang tag, thicker right here. Let me show you guys. Definitely different, definitely different. Main thing I noticed, obviously right off the jump, like I said, is the darker elephant print right here. You know, you got that deep elephant print, and you can honestly barely even tell it's elephant print from afar. You can only kind of tell it's like a dark elephant print, and then almost like this, the embossing is a little bit different. So you can kind of see it's there. Yeah, like I said, I much rather prefer this elephant print right here, which is that, you know, classic elephant print where you can definitely tell the difference between the gray and the black. Also, what I noticed, guys, is that this is a smooth leather tongue. Now, while the 2013 pair is more of like a tumbled leather, whether it's fake or not or whatever, it's just a textured material, I definitely noticed that the tongue is more soft and supple and bendable, as well as tumbled, as you can see right here. So, as I pointed out, is that this perforation right there, the holes are much, much bigger than this guy right here, where you can barely even notice. The gray hits along the tongue right here, a little bit darker than the 2013 pair. I don't know if this camera will pick it up or not, but you can definitely notice it in hand. Other thing to point out is the shape, right? So you can clearly see. Now, I've worn this thing, you know, since 2013. I've been wearing it. You can obviously see it's yellowing around the you know, the toe guard here and everything like that. But the shape is more of like, you kind of can see it's like got like that banana effect, right? So it's kind of like bending upwards, while the shape of the 2022 pair, it's more like that sleeked out look, right? So it's like more of like a not even gradual, it's more of like just a more even curvature to the shoe, while this guy kind of bends up. And then obviously the main difference is this guy right here. So the 2013 pair came with the Jumpman Air, and then 2022 versions, like we said before, come with that Nike Air. So what do you guys prefer? Let me know down in the comments section below. Do you prefer the look of the 2013 pair, or do you prefer the look of the new 2022 version, of course with my favorite, that Nike Air on the back? Alright guys, so I hope you did enjoy this little unboxing and review of the Air Jordan 3 Fire Red 2022 version. Man, I love this pair of shoes. Like I said, I gave you my little story about how this was actually the first pair of shoes that actually started, you know, my love for shoes and this freaking sneaker collection behind me that is costing me some money. But Let me know, did you guys end up picking these things up? Were you hyped on these things? Double up, cop, pass? Did you guys pass on these things? I know that this a very highly anticipated shoe for 2022. So let me know what you guys think down below. Also, if you guys are new around here, please make sure you are smashing that like button, hitting the subscribe, and please turn on the post notifications so you do not miss another one of my videos. That's gonna do it for me, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. My name is Dylan. You guys just chilled with Dill, and I'm out. Peace.